Alright guys, how's it going? So I thought it was best to give a little bit of context and explain what Blender Royale actually is. Now this is hosted on Erin's Discord, so if you want to join, you're more than welcome. But essentially what we do is we create teams of 3. So last night there was 4 teams of 3 and everybody gets 6 minutes and then we pass the model on to the next artist. Now these teams are randomly generated and the subject matter is kinda a secret until the last minute. So last night it was a low poly island. My team suffered really bad, mainly because I was actually in the team. Anyway, here's the highlights. It can get a little bit chaotic, and some teams were actually very clever and muted other users and only communicated with their team, and that was a smart move. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Take care.
Hang on a minute, like, have we already started already?
What is our team leader doing? What in the name of...
Okay.
Oh, dude, we're just going ballistic then.
Do we want to do like a nature scene?
Because I want to make a bridge.
What do you do, you fucking want, mate?
I like how you duplicated the thickness of the cloud by just making a duplicate of it and then shrinking it. I never would have thought of doing that. I would have just solidified again. Like that's a fun idea.
Yeah, these clouds are not like full-on volumetrics, but it has its own style, right?
Cast will take 5 seconds. I'm just gonna pull it down real quick.
There should be 2 more rounds after this one.
Steven,
little
what are you
rush.
doing? Legit, what are you doing?
Fixing the scene, mate.
Come on, my software fucking crashed.
5, 3, 2,
Hello?
1. Time is up. Save the files, upload it to the server, call it Team 1, Team 2, Team 3 and your version number.